Hello guys. If you... Oh, sorry. I don't know how to do this. My camera is not the best for vlogging. So if you've stumbled upon this video, then welcome to my shitposting channel where I post stuff that... random vlogs that I can't post on my main channel, which has an amazing amount of 73 subscribers, and one of those is me. So this is that. So this is yeah, anyway, this is an introductory video. I guess it's my first shitpost vlog, and I don't know how this is gonna work and what the themes are, but yeah, anyway, hello. Hello everyone, I am currently cooking ramyun. Hello, it's 6 a.m. and I'm cooking ramyun, instant noodles. Here it is. Oh shit. But yeah, here are the instant noodles that I'm cooking. It's 6 a.m. I woke up pretty late. So I'm just having like dinner or like lunch, I guess, if that's what you'd like to call it. I always pair my ramen with kimchi. So yeah. This is a test footage or a vlog. Anyway. We are looking inside the refrigerator for some kimchi. Start kimchi here. Start kimchi. I don't think kimchi. Okay, is kimchi? Nope, nope. I think the kimchi is over here. Yep, okay, that's kimchi. Found the kimchi. There it is. There it is, kimchi. Can you see it? Here is the kimchi. I always eat ramen with kimchi. Yep. Can you see me? I don't have a front flip. My camera isn't a front flip, so I don't see myself. Anyway. So I'm in my room now. This is the ramyun with egg. It's cheese ramyun and kimchi. I usually, around this time, like 6 a.m. or 5 a.m., when I usually eat ramyun or anything, I usually eat in my bedroom because it's cozier, and yeah, I usually eat while watching something on my laptop and everything, or on my phone. It's much more convenient and it's colder. So yeah.
And so thinking about your total budget is important, with the Sony coming in up $400 more just to get started. Additionally, the lenses for your Canon M50 are also going to be more affordable. One of the top lenses we recommend for upgrading the M50, especially if you want to vlog, is the 11 to 22 lens. That lens runs around $350, whereas for the Sony, that lens will run you almost $900 additional dollars. So for the price of just getting an A6400, you can not only get this camera with the kit lens, but also upgrade some other lenses and other accessories, which is something you should definitely consider. The M50 also wins when it comes to its ease of use and its overall body layout. The fact that the flip screen goes to the side allows you to put the microphone on top, whereas on the Sony A6400, that's a little bit of a challenge blocking the flip-up screen. The other thing about Canons is that generally they are just a little bit easier to use. The menu layout, the understanding of it all, the ability to just intuitively grasp the learning curve of the M50. In fact, Canon even includes...
So I finished eating, and so it's time to wash the dishes. I think that's too close. So I finished eating, and it's time to wash the dishes. Yeah, I don't know why I'm filming this, but if you guys want to know how I cook ramyun, then comment down below. I'll still do it probably, even if you don't, even if no one watches this. I am now thirsty. Should I drink... Oh, you can't see it, but... Should I drink orange juice or should I drink Coca-Cola? Okay, so we went with orange juice. I like this. I actually like Minute Maid pulpy. I'm not the biggest fan of the pulp, but I like its orange juice flavor. It's refreshing. So yeah, it's my we chose orange juice in the morning before I sleep. I'll sleep at around, I'll sleep at around what time is it? It's 6 a.m. I'll sleep around 8 a.m. So yeah, if you don't know anything what this channel is, this channel is basically a shitposting channel where I just do all the random vlogs, all the random videos that I don't think matches the theme or the quality of my main channel, which is Bitter Sugar. Please subscribe. But yeah, that's what I meant. And here's like it's an experimental trash channel but I like it. I'll still do work. I'll still do stuff with it. So yeah, that's pretty much like the intro. It's just random stuff. It's mostly vlogs of what I do in a week because I'm alone and doing this makes me feel like I'm not. So yeah, I'll explain along the way. I don't know what this is about. Anyway.